can't cook, and that is a real problem for a family of 6. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I became Betty Crocker, can prep a month's worth of meals in less than 3 hours, all for less than $150. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Melody, and I am a systems strategist. My goal is to protect your most valuable asset, your time. I do that by designing systems to streamline your business processes, and in this case, life. Mealtime in my house was a huge problem. To run through a drive-through is a small mortgage payment, and with a hectic day-to-day schedule, I can't wait till the last minute to whip something up in the kitchen. I'm going to share with you my system for picking a meal plan that everyone likes, even picky eaters, reducing prep time, avoiding dry tasting food, all for $150 a month. Step number 1. I know that there are a ton of meal plans out there, but I always had the same problem. Will my family like them? Then I found I Am That Lady. Her meal plans are less than $5, and guess what? The biggest thing is that my family loves them. Step number 2. To save time, I purchased the meal plans and printed everything out. I shop at Aldi, and she lays out where all of the ingredients are, aisle by aisle, so no wandering down every aisle to find this rare ingredient. Step number 3. To save prep time, I bit the bullet and purchased enough bag holders so my daughter and I could prep all of the meals very quickly. This is another plus about how I Am That Lady organizes her meal plans. Now, this next set of steps is going to save you a lot of headaches. Step number 1. The first time we put all of the meals in the freezer, they stuck together. So the next time we made sure they were dry, but the same thing happened again. So the third time we wrapped each meal in parchment paper. You can find the parchment paper at a dollar store, and I've never had a problem with the meals sticking together again. Step number 2. Now this is a biggie and a deal breaker for most people who meal plan. I was so excited to pull the meal out the night before and literally dump it all into the crock pot the next day. But what I found was that my meat was dry. But I was not going to let this ruin my system. I highly recommend that before you put your meat or chicken or beef into the crock pot, sear it in a pan with some olive oil to seal in the juices. I haven't had a problem with dry meat since. I used to hate meal planning and making dinners. Now I feel like I have mastered a system that helps my family eat more healthy, saves time and money. Look for a link in the description for all of the products mentioned in today's video. If you have found this video helpful, I wish you would share some love and tap on the heart and leave a comment. If you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and special guests to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence.